And then, to some point, meron din naman mga, in 1945, mga nangyaring kaganapan na yung mga sundalo natin na, they killed Japanese na hindi na sila makalaban. It was a revenge of the Death March, of the Bataan, at yung mga inabuso nung Japanese occupation. From the U.S. National Archives, on the Bamban Battalion files, that says, addressed to the commanding officer of the Bamban Battalion, Major Melesio Waya. Yun naman ay under the, yung memo, galing naman sa commanding officer ng 185 Infantry, US Army. Sabi niya, it has come to our headquarters report that your men are killing Japanese. Please stop. Treat them in accordance with the Geneva Convention, on the terms of the Geneva Convention. Ibig sabihin, on the handling of the prisoners of war kasi pinapatay nga nila mga Hapon.